Empower students to design in Canva by creating student activities and assignments. Students can do their best work as they edit and create with ease thanks to Canva's drag and drop editor. In this video, we will learn about providing learning scaffolding by sharing templates, encouraging student creativity with blank designs, and allowing imagination to flow with open designs. Let's get started. Providing students with instructional scaffolding creates a more supportive learning environment. Sharing a customizable template with students is an easy way to set your students up for success. First, let's find a template. This one will be perfect. Customize it for your activity. When the design is ready, you can turn it into a template. Select Share and generate a template link here. Then copy the link and share it with your students for a fun, supported learning experience. Students can select Use Template, get creative, and share their work with you here. Assigning students a blank design encourages creative expression by allowing them to select their own template. Let's explore how with a comic strip. Search comic strip here. We're going to select blank comic strip. First, let's give the design a name. Here, you can see templates to spark students' imagination. Assign the design to your students using the Share menu. You can select where they submit the assignment and whether this is a template they edit or instructions they read. Let's also add a note for the students. You can add in individual students or select an entire class. Tap Publish and students will be notified that an assignment has been created for them. Once students have completed their assignment, they share their work using the Send to Teacher button here. Empower students to develop their visual communication skills by allowing them to design from scratch. Provide them with a task and give them the freedom to create any way they like. You can set an open assignment so students can choose to create a poster, infographic, or even a video. They can tell their own stories with ease thanks to Canva's drag and drop editor. When they are finished creating, they can share the design with you and others here. With comment access, you can seamlessly provide feedback. Power student creation and visual communication using Canva's templates and editor.